Today I'm going to be showing you how I treat orchid had no active roots and was close to collapse and repotted it. Here's what happened after a few weeks. Here we can see the plant is severely dehydrated and under stress. Leaves are limp, leathery, and heavily wrinkled. Deep ridges show loss of internal water pressure. The leaves remain green, but they fold and hang over the pot instead of holding shape. The surface texture is uneven and slightly collapsed in sections. This usually points to root failure, not just missed watering. The plant is not taking up water effectively. After removing it from the pot, the root condition confirms the issue. The root system is heavily compromised. Most inner roots are brown, shriveled, and hollow. These are dead and no longer move water or nutrients. Only a few outer roots show any firmness. The center is packed with broken down medium. It stays wet too long and limits airflow. After clearing the old medium, a few healthy aerial roots are visible near the base. These roots are firm and silvery gray. They extend outward from the stem. They're dry at the moment, but still full. This indicates they're viable and can absorb water once rehydrated. These roots will be the main support for recovery. To recover the plant, remove all dead roots. Cut anything mushy, hollow, or papery using sterilized shears. Keep only firm roots. Let the cuts dry before repotting. This reduces the risk of rot. Cut all soft, mushy, or papery roots. Make clean cuts back to solid tissue. If a root is partially damaged, trim it back to the point where it feels firm. Do not leave any soft sections attached. If the base of a root near the stem is black or soft, remove it completely. Be careful not to damage the stem itself. Rinse the root system with a gentle stream of water. This removes the nutrients and exposes any damaged areas you may have missed. Keep the pressure low. The goal is to clean, not force water into the crown or damage the roots. Rotate the plant and rinse from different angles. Check the roots again while wet. Healthy roots will turn green and feel firm. Any sections that stay brown or collapse should be trimmed. Do not let water sit in crown. Shake off excess water before moving to the next step. Mix a simple solution using clean water and a very small amount of flour. Add about 1 teaspoon of flour to a jar. Then slowly fill it with water. Add a small amount of banana enzyme to the diluted solution. Use a few teaspoons at most. Then mix thoroughly until uniform. Keep the mixture very light. It should stay watery, not thick or sticky. If it feels concentrated, dilute it further. Close the lid and let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes. This allows the contents to fully disperse and settle into a uniform solution. After 30 minutes, strain the solution. Use a fine mesh or cloth to remove any solids. The final liquid should be clear and free of residue. This step matters. Any particles left in the mix can stick to the roots and trap moisture, which increases the risk of rot. After straining, dilute the solution again with a small amount of clean water. Keep it very light. The final mix should be close to clear, not cloudy or sticky. Pour the diluted solution into a clean container. Use one large enough to fit the root system without bending or crowding it. Lower the roots section into the solution. Keep the crown and leaves above the liquid. Do not soak the entire plant. A brief rinse is enough. Move the roots gently through the solution. Soak a clean tissue or cloth in the diluted solution, then wipe the leaves lightly. Focus on removing dust and residue. Do not press hard. The leaves are already weak and can crease easily. Wipe along the surface, not across the crown. Avoid letting liquid collect at the leaf base. After wiping, let the leaves air dry. After about 20 minutes, remove the plant from the container. Let excess liquid drain off completely. Place it in a dry, shaded area with good airflow. Leave it exposed for several hours before repotting. The roots and cut surfaces should feel dry to the touch. Do not rush this step. Repotting while the plant is still wet increases the risk of rot. Prepare a pot with good drainage. A clear plastic pot works well so you can monitor root condition. Then add a small layer of inert material at the bottom, such as foam or large bark pieces. This is only to keep the base open and prevent compaction. Fill the pot with coarse pine bark. Use medium to large pieces to maintain airflow around the roots. Use a stake to stabilize the plant. Insert it into the pot before positioning the orchid to avoid damaging the roots. Place the plant, then secure it loosely to the stake with a soft tie. The plant should stay upright without being held tightly. Once the plant is positioned, continue adding pine bark around the roots. Work it in gradually so it fills the gaps without compressing the mix. Gently tap the pot to help the bark settle. Do not press it down. The roots need air between the pieces. Finish with a light layer of moss on the surface. Keep it thin and loose. Do not pack it down. This layer helps retain some moisture at the top, but it should dry within a day. If it stays wet, remove or reduce it. Keep the moss away from the crown. The base of the plant must stay dry to prevent rot. From this point, routine care determines recovery. Keep conditions stable and avoid constant changes. Water only when the roots turn silver and the medium is dry. Do not water on a fixed schedule. Overwatering at this stage will restart rot. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid strong direct sun while the plant is still weak. Maintain good airflow around the pot. Do not fertilize immediately. Wait until new root tips appear, then start with a weak, diluted feed. Recovery is gradual. Focus on root growth first. These may take longer to improve, and some damage will not reverse. After 6 weeks, the plant shows clear recovery. The leaves are still not fully firm, but the structure has improved. Wrinkling is reduced, and the surface looks more stable. They no longer collapse as easily under their own weight. This indicates partial restoration of internal water balance. At the base, new root activity is visible. Several roots are extending outward with fresh green tips. These tips are the key indicator of recovery. They confirm the plant is actively absorbing moisture again and adapting to the new medium. Older surviving roots have also stabilized, with no signs of further rot. The plant is holding its position in the pot without shifting. This suggests the new roots are beginning to anchor into the bark. The crown remains dry and intact, with no signs of rot or infection. Overall, the progression is consistent with a successful recovery phase. The plant is no longer declining. It has transitioned into active growth, with functional roots and gradual improvement in hydration. Continued stable care will determine how far the recovery goes from this point. That's the result after 6 weeks. The plant is stable, roots are active, and recovery is in progress. Not perfect, but no longer declining. If you want to see more real results like this, please consider like and subscribes along with visit the channel for similar content. And I'll see you in the next video.